When we hear the word flooding, we often think of burst riverbanks and high sea levels, but surface flooding is becoming a bigger issue, and it can affect anyone, anywhere, and at any time. In England alone, there are 3 times as many properties at high risk of flooding from surface water than rivers and the sea combined. Admiral are here to help and have assembled a team of experts to give you the advice, hints and tips you need to make your home more flood resilient. Come and meet the flood force. Meet Ben.
Admiral are supporting us to do some amazing work at landscape scale. I'm here to help bring to life working with natural processes and show you how that can reduce the impact of flooding.
This is Mary.
Since my own home flooded, it's been my mission in life to raise awareness of flood risk and share tips on how to prepare your home for flooding and how to better protect it.
Meet Danny.
I'm here to offer tips on how you can keep your outside space or garden flood prepared.
And meet Joel.
I'm a flood risk consultant. I'm going to share easy and affordable ways that you can better protect your home against flooding.
And you can find all the tips and expert advice on Admiral's Flood Force page. We can all make small changes to be prepared and better protect our homes and the things that matter to us.